Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
And this is me too.
And for today's video, we're going to unbox the... I don't know what's the name of this one, but...
That's for the doggy's house.
Yes, this is for the doggy's house. So,
very hard.
I just received this today and it's so big. The size of this one is extra large because I have 2 puppies. So, maybe I think they are going to be fit in here. Yeah. So, guys, if you haven't subscribed on my YouTube channel yet, just press the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell for more updates of my upcoming videos. So I will introduce you my puppies. Show them. This one is Daphne and this one is Clarky. They're so baby. Oh, that's why I bought them a cage. Yeah, this one is the cage. And if you are interested, just keep on watching. Okay guys, let's start. So I have accessories, so yeah.
That's for the grown up, not for kids.
Okay. We must be careful using this one, okay?
Cut it, cut it, cut it.
This is not allowed for, the kids using this. So we must be careful and we need a guidance, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, need to open it
now.
That's
what adults.
Okay, I'm so excited guys because I really, love my new puppies. Hey, Daphne and Clarky have a house. New house for them. Yay.
Don't go anywhere, okay?
Oh.
Wow.
Okay.
Very indeed.
Must be careful using the scissor because it's very dangerous.
Yeah, dangerous.
Oh, it's very, I like their packaging guys. This one is from G&D. Yeah, I like the packaging. It's very safe. So let's see. Because I ordered color black, so yeah. I'm so excited to open it. Okay guys, here. Okay, are you ready? Okay. Oh my god, it's very heavy. Very heavy, okay. Let's give you this news. Excuse me.
Like and subscribe. Hit the bell button and subscribe.
Whoa!
Wow, it's so big.
So this is the first stuff that I bought for my puppies. So maybe next time I will bought them a toy and pillows.
And also for doggo treats.
I need to buy them a lot of stuff.
Yeah. And also a bed.
Like them. So they're so cute, Get the phone here, you can hear in the back. Okay guys.
Good puppy run!
Easy puppies. Yeah. Look at the packaging, it's very hard to open it. Yeah, it's color black guys. Look, it's color black.
Color black.
Yeah.
That one
bought this one for 900, and then yep, for the shipping fee, the auntie have 105 shipping fee. So guys, yep, let's open it, and I'm very excited to reassemble this one. Oh, awesome! Look at that!
Here.
Okay, excuse me, babe.
Now let's go build it.
Okay, let's build it. Okay, so the step is, okay, let's open this like this.
Oh, that's where puppies go out.
Lisa, I really don't know how to do this, but I will try my best to assemble this. Oh, it's very good job, Zai. Look at that, guys. It's very easy to assemble. Wow. Okay, you need to lock. You need to lock. Oh, Puppies, you have the hat. Yay!
Yay, in the door. In the door.
The door, yay! Yay! Awesome!
Open,
The
open.
door. Yay! Look at now. Look at guys. So nice, guys. Look. Okay, up here, Bonsky. We need a nice choice. Excuse me, Zaza, you don't hear me. Show to them the cage. This is the size of the extra large, guys. And we have here the, if they will put here, it's easily to clean because they have out.
Yeah, it's very smooth.
Yeah, this one is you can put one here, then you can easily clean it and wash it. This one. Awesome. Okay, where's the puppy? Where's the puppy? Put it here, the puppy sleep. Okay, let's try puppy sleep. No, you're not a puppy. Put the puppy, come here, Daphne. Come here, Daphne. Okay, careful. Wow, in the house. Now, next time we will buy the bed for them here. Where is Lucky? Lucky? Come here, baby. Find Lucky. Find Lucky, baby. Find Lucky ba? Find Lucky first. Find Lucky. Look it, guys. Look, it's very nice. They will fit in here. Yeah, Clarky and Daphne. Awesome. Okay, Joe. Where is Clarky? Find Clarky ba? We will put them here. So guys, yeah, it's very nice and affordable. Good. Zion can go inside also and Bonsky. They will fit in here.
Yeah.
This is an extra large size. Okay? Oh, this is not a toy, huh? This is for the puppies.
Yeah, this is
Okay, guys.
Thank you.
Where is the puan? Where is Clarky?
Lucky!
Ano, Clarky? Where is Clarky? Oh, look, a nice hole, baby. Oh. Where's the puppy? Yay! Okay, come inside, baby. Try your new home. Come here. Yay! Oh, we can bring them. Oh, we can bring them outside. On the outside, no?
How?
Yes, we'll lock the door.
How is this puppy important? How is this?
We'll lock the door.
Oh!
Excuse me, baby. Don't lock the camera. Don't lock the camera ba? Okay. Then we will feed them later. So that's it, guys. Yeah. I will show you later in the description box the shop and where did I bought this one. so that yeah, you have an idea of where you can buy, and there's a lot of stuff also there. So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you like my video. And to all the puppy lovers there, yes, thank you for watching. Yeah, they really enjoy their new home. Look at the puppy. Yay! Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for the updates.
And also, we're gonna find the this year.
Oh, okay. Say bye-bye, Daphne. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, baby. How about Clarky? Clarky? Baby, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you on my next video.
Bye, bye, bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Bonski. Bye-bye. Bye, guys.